18 जून या दिसा राजभवनात 76वा क्रांती दीस मनयलो. ह्या वेळार गोंयच्या स्वातंत्र्य सैनीक डॉ. राम मनयल लोहियाच्या महत्वपूर्ण योगदानाच्यो यादी ताज्यो केल्यो. जाल्यार 98 वर्सां स्वातंत्र्य सैनीक लिबिया लोबो सरदेसाईचो राज्यपाल हस्तुकी सत्कार केलो.
शेनवारा राज्य 76वो गोंय क्रांती दीस राजभवनात मनयलो. ह्या निमतान राज्यपाल PS श्रीधरन पिल्लय हाणें हुतात्म्यांच्यो यादी जागयल्यो. त्या भायर राजभवनात 98 वर्सां जाल्ली स्वातंत्र्य सैनीक लिबिया लोबो सरदेसाईचो सत्कार केलो. पळयात.
I'm extremely happy to see that Rajbhavan arranged this program, felicitation of freedom fighter Advocate Srimati Libya Lobo Sardesai. And this day is opted for that. That is also very important. On this historic and glorious occasion of Goa Revolution Day, it is an honor for Rajbhavan to have among us the distinguished presence of one of the senior-most freedom fighters of Goa. Advocate Srimati Libya Lobo Sardesai is now 98 years old, and it is the blessing of God that she is even at this advanced age hale and healthy. Rajbhavan has the wonderful tradition of felicitating eminent persons of Goa from various walks of life. Today is indeed a pleasure to acknowledge and appreciate the noble service of a brave and fearless freedom fighters who played an important role in the achievement of liberation of Goa. I have read about her courageous participation as an underground broadcaster of the Voice of Liberation radio, and from her own account, this is what happened.
ह्या नादी गोंयांत कितलेशेच राज्यपाल जावन गेले, पूण कोणेच स्वतंत्र सैनिकांचो भोवमान करूं ना. पूण सध्याच्या राज्यपालान आमची दखल घेवन भोवमान केल्या बद्दल लिबिया लोबो सरदेसायान देव बरें करूं म्हटले. जाल्यार गोंय ही एक देवा कडल्यान भांगराच्या रुपान आमकां देणगी मेळ्ळा आनी आमी ताची जतनाय घेवपाक जाय, अशें लिबिया लोबो सरदेसाय हिणें गोंयकारांक संदेश दिला. आयकात.
I am very grateful to you all for felicitating me today on this occasion of the Goa Revolution Day. But before I thank you, please permit me to thank the Almighty for their benevolent good fortune given to me to be felicitated by you after so many years, and also to thank them for the good fortune and for the blessing that they have given me of a long life so that I could live and see this day. I am very, very grateful to you for the shawl and for the felicitation in toto. I have no words to thank you because we have not found governors in the past, I'm sorry to say, who have not only recognized us but even given us taken notice of us, leave alone recognition. We have not even been noticed. But it did not matter at all because we never craved for it or did anything to get that. So we did not miss it. But when it comes, naturally it lifts our hearts and we appreciate from our heart and mind. But we are happy that our work was not only appreciated among our people, but we got the best certificate from the Portuguese themselves, because they said, apart from all that has happened, the voice of freedom hurt us the most. And at close range, we could not get a better certificate from them for our work, or from anyone from them. So that inspired us to continue our work even after liberation. And I have continued to do a lot of reorganization for the development of the state. Whether somebody knows it, recognizes it or not, that's not the point at all. Whatever comes our way, whatever is necessary to be done, and whatever we can do with our limited possibilities, we have to do. And we have done it. And I am continuing to do it. I am not idle, because I am a person that wants to see the state of my dreams come true. And that is true. As the governor said, we have always been an enviable state. God has made us an enviable territory, and we should keep it that way. We should be the, what you may say, the jewel of India, if possible. And we should always think that whenever we do any action, whenever we commit ourselves to something, whether we are doing the right thing by the state or are doing the wrong thing, whether it will be harmful to the state or whether it will be beneficial to the state, each one of us has to contribute. And if this is done, the Goa state will definitely be the jewel of India.
गोवा 365 खातीर राजभवनांतल्यान श्यामचारी.